Hey guys, it's Dad and Son DIY It All, and today we are going to grease a Pramama mat cutting board.
So we got a new cutting board from IKEA, and we're gonna have to season this and oil it before we can use it. So we're gonna show you how to go ahead and do that here in this video. This will apply to any wood cutting board, not just the prop mat. Correct us if we're wrong in the comments, please. But we're going to show you how to properly season and maintain your wood cutting boards. All right, so we did open the instructions for the cutting board. And again, this will apply to all cutting boards, especially ones that are wood. But it does even tell you in here to season this with using oil that's approved for food surfaces. So Son grabbed our oil that we're going to use.
And we use raw plus rare mineral oil.
So before we started this process, we did damp wipe this, so it is clean. I also did run over it with a paper towel to make sure that any loose lint or any items were off of it. I poured the oil into a disposable plate so that way we could just moisten the paper towel like this. Once the paper towel is moistened, we're going to go ahead and start applying the oil. What we're going to do is we're going to go in nice level strokes as best we can, getting it in the channels and everywhere on the board. So try to stay consistent with the amount and with the strokes. I'm going to go back over to the plate, which is off to the side now, get some additional oil, and you'll see the color will change. You'll start to see the grain show up a lot better. But in addition to protecting your cutting board and making it a lot more non-porous, it's going to beautify the wood also. So this is a great step that you should repeat every so often. So it depends on the usage and how much you're washing. But we're going to go ahead and finish up this side and be right back. So while Son's finishing up on this first coat, we're going to go ahead and then start to work on the sides. But I'm going to show you the back just to show you the difference in color of the raw wood versus the wood that's had at least one coat. Also, as it gets on your hands, don't worry. Mineral oil is actually really good for your hands and your skin, so it actually will leave you feeling really soft and moisturized afterwards. All right, so Son's gonna keep finishing up, and we'll be right back.
So we finished up our first coat, and now we're going to let this first coat dry.
And we're gonna apply multiple coats to this. You'll find that especially your first coat, it's gonna absorb really quickly. And so we're gonna let this go ahead and set in probably about a half hour maximum, and then we'll come back, apply the second coat, see how much absorbs. We typically like 2 to 3 coats minimum for the first seasoning. And then if there's any excess, we'll wipe that off, and then we'll let it dry overnight. If we see any spottiness, we'll come back and patch that up the next day. But right now, we're gonna let this dry, and then we'll come back, put on additional coat, and show you what it looks like when it's finished. All right, so we have the second coat on. This is what it looks like now. We're gonna let this rest, but you can see how much better it is already. I'm gonna do one more coat, and then we'll be ready to wash it down and use it. But that's how you properly season and oil your wood cutting board, your wood surfaces, any place that you have that comes in contact with food. You need food safe oil, and you need this. So this is finished up. Thank you for your help on that, bud. And
I think it came out really nice.
if you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other channels, which are
Dad and Son DIY It All, Dad and Son Do It All, and Dad and Son
Cook and Eat It All.
Eat It All.
Thank you much. Have a great day.